find us again on the All 4 Mississippi Thunder channel. We got another great video coming up for you here at the Rock House Gun and Pawn. So y'all stay tuned. Thank you for tuning back into All 4 Mississippi Thunder. Any previous viewers and subscribers, we surely appreciate y'all. Now, any new viewers or viewers that have not subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button because you don't want to miss anything that happens over here on All 4 Mississippi Thunder. Give us a thumbs up because we always appreciate that. Ring that bell for notifications and share this video with your friends, neighbors, and their friends, and whoever you can think to share it with. Today, we've got a great video coming for you from Rock House Gun and Pawn, and that is at 5430 Highway 19 North, Meridian, Mississippi 39307. Phone number is 601-485-5895, and I will put that number in the video several times for you to see that. And they are a fully licensed FFL dealer following all federal, state, and local laws. I'm not selling any firearms in this video, but if you see something that you like, feel free to call the Rock House Gun and Pawn or stop by if you're local. If you call, they'll get you set up to send to your local FFL. But make sure, and also if you anything else you think of that you think they might have that you don't see in the video, go ahead and stop by and give them a call. But tell them that R4 Mississippi Thunder sent you. All right, got another awesome one here today for you. We are going to be looking at the Sig P365 X-Macro. I know you've seen a lot of other reviews on YouTube, but this is a tabletop review of it. And you can check it out next to a regular Sig P365, just size comparison. Show you this is cleared anyway. You see that, and this one, and there they are, right on top of each other. So you can see the extra length, extra height, same width though. Okay, well, let's delve right into the P365 Macro. It is chambered in 9mm, and it actually it comes with two magazines, 17 rounds, so it's 17 plus 1 versus the old standard 10 rounders that you get with the regular P365. It has the X-ray 3-dot sights that everybody likes, day and night sights. Optic cut, like all the X series. This is not an X series, but all the X series here are optic cut. And it kind of has, as we move down the slide, you see this little apparatus here. It's kind of a built-in compensator. It's the barrel. The barrel is the same length. It's a carbon steel 3.1 inch barrel, same barrel length or same barrel as the regular subcompact. But if you can look, let me take the camera here because I don't want to point this at you. If you can look down there, you'll see that the barrel stops right before these two slots. So you get the same 3.1 inch like I said, black carbon steel barrel, but then you have these slots on the top that help to, as the bullet exits, it helps to, as the bullet is pushing up, the recoil, you have gas escaping there pushing down on it. The slide itself is stainless steel, and it has the nitron finish on it, and also has the front and rear serrations for you, if that's something you like. It's in the compact family. We'll go ahead and I'll read you the specs off here. The length is 6.6 inches. Got a width of 1.1 inches. Height 5.2 inches, and it weighs 21.5 ounces. It's a striker-fired pistol. Has about a 4.5 to 5 pound trigger pull. It's got a flat face trigger, and it has that stainless steel fire control unit that SIGs have. If you're not familiar with SIGs, it's all interchangeable to a point. Let's put it that way. Let me show you that trigger pull there. You have a take up, about 90 degrees, it breaks, and then you have a crisp reset. And like I said, it does break about that 90 degrees. Let me pull it with this finger so you can see that. Right there, 90 degree break. Okay. It is a redesigned polymer frame in the redesigned X series polymer frame. Has the interchangeable back straps. The smaller versions don't have that, and the mag release is not ambidextrous. It is just one-sided, but it is something that you can change out to the other side if you're a lefty. And also, the magazine is cut for either side, so if you do switch out the mag release, you'll be able to release it that way. It has a little beveled mag well, help you with reloading. Also, you can add those, got the screw for the extra length beveled or enlarged mag well. Got the nice beaver tail, and one of my favorite things about it, and I don't know how you feel about it, but it has a full length 1913 rail on the front. It's not SIG's proprietary rail like they used to put on the P365. It is a full length 1913 rail. For takedown, you don't have to pull the trigger. You set the slide release, flip your little lever down there, and it comes right off. There you can check out the internals. And put it back together the same way in the reverse order. And there you go. You don't have to pull the trigger to disassemble that. This is a quick little tabletop review, I think. To sum it up, you have, 17 plus 1 capacity. That's a lot bigger gun most of the time that you can get 17 rounds in. But in this, in short, you have a light, compact, concealable firearm that holds 17 rounds. That's a pretty big game changer across the market. Well, hope you enjoyed this overview tabletop of the Sig P365 X-Macro. That's a mouthful. Oh, the model number is 365X CA-9-COMP. So that's the model number of it. Anyway, one little tidbit I did want to add in, that if you already have a P365 in 9mm, these magazines, they are cross-compatible, like I said, to an extent earlier, because these longer magazines will fit in the shorter grip, and it locks back and it works. It's just a standard SIG mag. Now, of course, this is not going to do anything, in here with the shorter mag, but the longer mag will backwards compatible to the other SIG P365. I want y'all to come back and see us in Awful Mr. Thunder. Thank you for tuning in, and remember, for I have learned to be content in every situation. It comes from Philippians 4:11. God bless you, and God bless America.